Over the last few years, Figma has moved from a small player to the preferred prototype design tool with the added benefit of FigJams for online collaboration. There are loads of opportunities for AI within Figma because of three things. One, they have a robust plugin architecture for third parties to create AI plugins. Two, they've added dev mode to assist with the design handoff. And three, they've acquired Diagram, a startup that was focused on developing user-friendly and AI-enabled plugins for Figma. There are tons of AI-enabled plugins that range from worthless to invaluable. In this unit, we'll go over some of the plugins that can make designing easier and faster. Dev Mode Open Beta was introduced in the summer of 2023. It allows developers to inspect elements in Figma and get sizes and style data. They can easily extract styling code in CSS, Swift, or Android. Some of the better AI plugins also support Dev Mode, so you can get full code right from here, which we'll discuss in another unit. Diagram has been building some great tools to support a number of fast design features. Notably, a few plugins like Magician are available for Figma. Unfortunately, a couple of their design plugins are still coming soon. I suspect they may turn up integrated into Figma at some point in the near future. AI can make designs go faster in Figma by generating design elements from widgets to entire screens or even flows, and content like icons, images, and text. Figma is already a great tool, so these new AI features look to make it invaluable by speeding up designers' time to create prototypes.